Doing a boat tour of the caldera and volcano is one of the highlights of a visit to Santorini. There are many great tours offered by a collection of different companies, but we'd find booking through GetYourGuide to be the easiest and most reliable. Regardless of how you book, be sure to reserve early for the peak summer months of June through September. You'll also likely enjoy our longer video about what to expect from a Santorini boat tour, linked to in the description below. Thanks for watching.